How do I get from this to this? Well, let me show you and trace the whole thing. I'm going to start with an arc right here. I'm going to switch to a line and back to arc. So I'm going to start by using a logic trace system to trace the entire outside of the part. I'm doing it mainly with lines and arcs. It's very fast. I just digitize the points with the pen stylus. Do an arc here, another arc, back to a line. So I'm going to do the outside of the part, and then I can do the inside pieces. There it is. It looks great. Now let's do these two big holes. For the two big holes, I'm going to do 3-point circles where I just digitize any 3 points on the circle. There's the first one. There's the second one. Looks great. Now for the little holes, I'm going to do 1-point holes, and I'm going to say that they're all 1/4-inch holes. So just come in here and digitize a point in the center of that circle, and it pops in a 1/4-inch circle in my pattern. There it is. Looks great. Now I've got this other inside piece here. Whoops. Start with an arc. I got this piece here. It's 3 arcs in a line. So we do the first arc, the second arc, the third arc, and then I just hit connect and it does a straight line. There's that one. I've got another one of these. It's 3 arcs. First arc, second arc, third arc. Click stop. There it is. Now I have these 2 little pieces here. I'm going to start with an arc right here. Switch to a line. Do another arc, and there's that one. I've got one more. Start with the arc, switch to a line, switch to an arc. I'm all done. Let's redraw it, see how it looks. Oh, it looks great. Let's save the file and cut it out.